Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to add a workbench in SAND. A workbench is an essential Trampler compartment that lets you craft useful items such as ammunition, weapons, armor, and other equipment while you're out on an expedition. To add one, head to your Trampler's build page. Open the Utility tab, then navigate to the Special section where you'll find the workbench. Select it and place it on any available compartment slot in your Trampler. Once you're happy with its position, save your Trampler blueprint and make sure to build the updated design before starting your next expedition. After you finish preparing your supplies, launch an expedition. If you want plenty of time to gather materials and craft items, consider choosing Voyage mode since it has no time limit. Once you land on Sophie, board your Trampler and interact with your newly installed workbench. From there, you can craft a variety of useful items, including ammunition, weapons, armor, and other essential equipment using the resources you've collected during your expedition. Adding a workbench greatly increases your flexibility in the field, allowing you to convert raw materials into the supplies you need without having to return to the main lobby. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.